Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and today's video is going to be on Terra Luna.
Yep, welcome back to Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about the cryptocurrency called Terra Luna. And as you guys may know, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, and this should be quite an interesting video for you guys.
I just want to say as a little warning, I guess, this video is being recorded on the 23rd of December as we are on holiday during New Year's and Christmas, so therefore we won't be able to record, but we still want to be able to push content out there for you guys, so the technical analysis will be for long term, of course. So it's still all relative, all the updates are still relative, everything in this video should still be relative to you, and you'll be able to see how it actually played out in the long run when you watch this video. So as we can see here, this Terra Luna has had a serious pump recently. We're up 3.5% right now. We're ranked 9 right now, so we're top 10 at 34, almost $35 billion market cap, which is absolutely huge. And as we see here, it's just had a big pump here in the past 24 hours. But if we look in the past 30 days, as we can see, it's not really been phased by Bitcoin at all. It's just kept going on its own. It's not been phased by it at all. It's just been going up. It's been insane what Terra's doing, and of course it's a huge project, so it's going to be on crypto.com, Binance, KuCoin, all the main ones. But let's actually get into the updates of Terra. As you can see, they're bridging with Aurora is near, which a lot of projects are actually doing. This is what a lot of them are seriously partnering with. I think Near did that. So we got lots of things coming. Users will be able to transfer between 2 different blockchains, which is very useful. Of course, that is something that is extremely needed for projects like this, especially. And of course, they're also introducing an innovative project for NFTs called the Lunana NFT, the Banana NFT on Terra Money. So the project is a unique NFT collection that incorporates snapshot voting system, which allows holders to vote on the storyline of Lunana in the Garden of Eden. So it actually isn't just an NFT; it's actually got a use case for it. I guess there's actually stuff for it. And it's free as well. So this is really interesting. So of course it's a giveaway campaign, so the winner gets the Lunana NFT, and I'm assuming there'll be a big buy price for that, considering you can vote on the storyline of it, which is quite cool. But let's get straight into the technical analysis.
As you can see on the daily time frame, you can see that Luna has actually been on a massive bullish trend recently, and ever since July, you'll probably be 100x by now if you were holding ever since now. And I do think personally, from what's been happening with Luna Terra, that this cryptocurrency is a very nice long-term cryptocurrency, and there's a lot of things that they've implemented in their ecosystem as well. So a lot of individuals that are holding Luna can get it in the cryptocurrency exchange called KuCoin. And personally, what I think about Luna is that this cryptocurrency has got a lot of potential, and a lot of people are looking at this cryptocurrency thinking that it's already pumped, and it does look like a missed opportunity. But in my opinion, I do think that this still has a long leg to go, and I do think that it can actually balance out at maybe $100, maybe $140, okay? And a lot of individuals on Twitter are saying road to $1,000 within the bull market, which is in my opinion quite crazy. But what I would personally think is that this cryptocurrency, I can see it balancing out between $100 and $200, okay? I don't think it can reach $1,000 within this cycle, but from making higher highs and higher lows, there's no sign of bearishness, and there's no back data to actually compare it with like either a support or resistance line. So I do think that for this cryptocurrency to actually balance out between $100 and $200 is more than likely. However, what can also happen is we can actually still have a massive bullish leg up all the way to $200, $300, same way as what Solana did, as where there was no form of bearishness formed, and we've just kept on making higher highs and higher lows. That's also a possibility, but in my opinion, I don't think that's going to potentially happen, especially with how the cryptocurrency ecosystem right now is, because if Bitcoin was around 10k right now and Luna was around $91, then most likely it could actually reach $1,000. But we are speaking about Bitcoin has already topped out at 69k. You got to ask yourself, how far else can it actually go before a bear market actually commences? And that's something that a lot of people don't realize. They just want to hear bullishness, and if it's not bullishness, then they don't want to hear it. So Luna, in my opinion, still has got a lot of potential, but if you go on an hourly time frame, we can see that we've actually had a major drop within Luna, and that major drop within a lower time frame wouldn't really look like very good. But if you look at the overall feature, we are still making higher highs and higher lows, and we may end up forming a W pattern, as you can see here. So a W pattern may cause a double top for the short term, and then we may actually go down and clear out the long traders before actually moving any higher. So in my opinion, we are still looking bearish. Bullish. The bullish structure is still intact, and we just need to wait and see how we actually potentially move. As you can see, we can see a potential W pattern, and I do see the W actually forming, where we actually may drop again, and we are having a bull flag as well. So yeah, in my opinion, I do think a bull flag may commence, and then we may have a breakout, which you know, I don't know if it's going to be long lasting, but yeah, previous breakout that happened was with Chainlink when it was around $48 and $49. We've broken out, then we dropped all the way to $5. So keep that in mind, guys.
So that is now it for this video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really does help us out, and we really do appreciate it. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you.